At Henry Ford West Bloomfield Hospital, they have a new team member of sorts. It's a robot named after a surgeon. Meet Lamont, the new UV robot at Henry Ford West Bloomfield Hospital. Environmental Services Manager Zanka Jonik says she hopes this simple nameplate serves as a profound reminder.
There is a proof that one person can make a huge difference if they're willing to.
In this case, that one person is Dr. Lamont Jones. Zanka recently attempted to surprise him with his new namesake.
I quickly put two and two together and figured that it was going to have to do something with the new robot that they talked about was on its way.
Dr. Jones is a bit of a rock star among the environmental services staff here. You see, during the spring surge, he stepped up when he heard the cleaning crew was extremely short-staffed. At the time, he wasn't doing many surgeries because of COVID restrictions.
I had a lot of free time, and so I thought it would be a simple and easy thing to do to help support the hospital.
It was very shocking for me that one surgeon wants to come and clean the rooms. And at first, I didn't take that very seriously.
When Dr. Jones emailed again, asking what he could do to help, she figured the robot that uses UV light to zap away germs would be a good fit for a surgeon. So she paired him up with Anna Bota, who showed him how to use it. Once Dr. Jones got the hang of it, he figured his colleagues could do it too. He sent the list of shifts that needed to be filled to the rest of his department.
The next day I opened it up, I'm like, oh my God. There were other surgeons, audiologists, physician assistants, and we zapped every single corner of this hospital.
Dr. Jones says manning the robots boosted his colleagues' morale at a time when there were a lot of cases, but not many for them. Although he did find one day while he was cleaning the emergency department.
I got to do a consult on a patient. I think at first people didn't know who I was. They were wondering why the person cleaning the room was also giving medical advice for patients.
It's hard to blame those folks in the ED for being a little bit confused. Altogether, Dr. Jones and his colleagues covered about 100 shifts for environmental services. For Henry Ford Health System News, I'm Dana J.